Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today we'll learn how to solve a 4 into 4 cube. It's very simple as a 3 into 3 cube. So first we'll make a center. A 4 into 4 always has a center with 4 pieces. So I'm picking here white. So first I'll solve the white center. That's very easy. The next I'll solve the opposite color of it. Opposite center, that is yellow center. So it is like a reverse L. So I'll first see where's the yellow piece. Next I'll turn it like such, it makes a reverse L. So I'll match it here like this, turn it and take it down. See here, the centers are paired. The next we go like this: blue, orange, green, red. Okay, so first I'll solve blue. So blue is here like this. I've solved it. The next we'll solve the orange center. Now how do you solve this orange center? Is so simple. See here, you have to match it like this over here, then turn it like this. See, you have disturbed nothing. Then next we need one more piece here. For that we'll turn this face like this and we'll match it over here so that it comes and match, and we'll turn it like this and we turn it like this and it's done. So blue, orange, white, yellow, all are finished. Now there are two colors left. So next it is green. Here it is almost red, but you have to make it green over here. After orange it comes green. So you take this green pieces like this, turn it like this, place it again like this. So you got here green. The next you have to solve it in the same way. You match it like this, turn it and see, it's done. And you have to do the same. Turn the cube like this, turn the face. See, there's a reverse L. So in that below that there should be a green piece. Now next we'll match it like this, we'll turn and see, it's done. So all the centers have paired. So guys, we now solve the edges of white. I choose orange and white, so it is not like you do in 3 into 3. It's a bit different. So first you are gonna match it like this over here, turn it. Okay, next match it like this over here. Yeah, and they both lie in the same line. To get this into same slice, you have to use this algorithm. First turn the middle layer, the next use this algorithm: R, U, R apostrophe, F, R apostrophe, F apostrophe, then R, then turn this middle layer. See, and it's done. See guys, I got this solved. So in some cases you won't get it, so I'll make it for you. So in this case it's very special to do. So in this case you don't need to turn this layer, you have to apply the same algorithm: R, U, R apostrophe, F, R apostrophe, F apostrophe, R. Yes, and you got this in same line. You do the same, but you have to turn the middle layer. then you do the same thing. R U R apostrophe F R apostrophe F apostrophe R, and turn this. See here, you got this. You have to do the same with all these. So I got it paid over here. So next we'll bring all the pieces into same slices. So it's very simple. We do the same thing. First it is green and orange here. I'll do the same. I'll turn it like this here, and we got this, and I'm gonna do the same. See here, if there is no piece over here, you have to do it, you have to pair it over here, like you know how to solve a 3 into 3 cube. So we have to pair this one over here like this. You know how to do it in a 3 into 3 cube, because it will become disturbed if you do it directly. So we'll use an algorithm, as you know. See here, we got it into the same line. Now we do the same thing. And see, we got it. The next here we need blue and yellow edge. We do the same as we did in 3 into 3 cube video. You turn it like this, then apply the same algorithm. You got it over here. You have to get all the pieces into the same slice. Okay, here I need orange and yellow. So it is over here. So to remove this, I'll use the algorithm that we have used in 3 into 3 cube video. Okay, so I'll place it over here. See, as you do the algorithm, you won't get these disturbed. You got these into the same slices, right? So I'll do the same. Now these both are in the same slices. Then next, green and red. This is over here, so I'll use an algorithm that was used in 3 into 3 cube video. The next, I'll turn it like this. So it's done. And next you got another piece here. So this piece is over here. We have to place it over here. Place it over here. The next, turn the middle layer. Use the algorithm. Now see, we have got all the pieces into the same slices, right? We have got everything into the same slices. Now we have to solve the corners. Now I want here green, orange and white corner. That's exactly whole. And you will use an algorithm, as you know, in 3 into 3 cube, or simply you can join it over here like this, or you may use the algorithm also. Now see, it's done. So I'll do the same thing with this. See guys, remember that when you try to solve a 4 into 4 cube, it's important for you to learn a 3 into 3 so that it makes you easy to understand. Okay, and it's done. The first layer has completed. White edges, white corners, everything have completed. Now see guys, we solved the edges of two colors. Now here we select red and blue. Now see, you match it over here like you do in 3 into 3 cube. So now here you will use an algorithm that is L. See guys, R of apostrophe is to turn the right side anti-clockwise, and then L is to turn clockwise, left side clockwise. Okay, then next we'll apply this algorithm. We go like this: L U L U L, then U apostrophe, L apostrophe, U apostrophe, L apostrophe, and this is done as we did it in 3 into 3 cube video. And again we are gonna match these colors like this. We have to join it over here, right? So we'll check it first like this, and we'll use an algorithm that is R apostrophe, U apostrophe, R apostrophe, U apostrophe, R apostrophe, then U R U R, and this is done. We'll do the same with other pieces, right? Now next to remove these, we'll do the same. It doesn't matter that you take it from right hand or you turn the cube and take it from left hand, okay, when you remove those. But at joining, wherever it joins at the opposite to it, you have to do it. Okay, next you have to check it joins over here or not. Then next you will use this algorithm. And see, it's done. So next we have to make a yellow cross over this. So it's not like you do it in 3 into 3 cube. Now we'll use oval patty method. Okay, then next turn the cube like this. Then we know this is R, that is turn right side clockwise, and MR, that is middle with R. Okay, so MR U2, then turn the cube like this, then turn the two layers, MR U2, then do the same again, MR U2. Then next you have to do the opposite to it, MR apostrophe U2. See, you have to turn it like this, such as if you take it down, it matches, right? So now again you have to do it with the left side now. So we'll take ML, then U2, the next MR apostrophe U2, the next MR U2, MR apostrophe U2. Let's see, it's done. Look at this guys, we'll do the same. We'll use oval parity method to finish this. Now MR U2. Now turn the cube. MR U2. MR U2. MR apostrophe U2. ML U2. MR apostrophe U2. Then MR U2. MR apostrophe U2. And see here, we got the yellow cross on the top. So that was pretty simple, but it's a little long algorithm, so you have to grab it. Don't worry about it, it's so simple. Just take it easy and try to understand. Then next I'll match all the edges of the cube. So first I'll check whether two colors are adjacent to each other or not, and they are matching. They should be matching. Now we can see here orange and blue have matched, so I'll take right side of them. So I'll apply this algorithm. R U2 apostrophe R apostrophe U apostrophe R apostrophe and R apostrophe, and see, I've got all these edges matched, right? The next, you have to get the corners at their correct positions. For that we'll use this algorithm. So now here we need orange, blue and yellow corner. So I'll use this algorithm. R U apostrophe L apostrophe U R apostrophe U apostrophe, then next L U. So the corner has changed. We'll do the same. R U apostrophe L apostrophe U R apostrophe U apostrophe L. Now see, we have got this in its place. Now we have to do the same. So we have got all their corners in their correct positions. Now we'll apply this algorithm to solve the whole cube. You face the cube such as the yellow color is facing towards you. Now you use this algorithm. U R apostrophe U apostrophe R U R apostrophe U apostrophe R. Then you don't care about these things happening, they'll solve again. Now you turn the facing layer like this. Then next do the same. U R apostrophe U apostrophe R U R apostrophe U apostrophe R. Then do the same. And it's done. See guys, in some cases all the corners won't be solved. So this is the case. You might try it. It is a bit different. The cube won't be solved always by getting the corners. You won't get corners at their correct positions. Now let's try it. First, place the corner. We need green, orange and yellow corner. You try it. Now see here guys, you have got a case that is a little difficult. See here, this corner is matched, but you won't get these two in their correct positions. So you face the cube like this. So and use this algorithm, that is M2, then next U2, M2, then next turn the above two layers, 2U2, then next M2, the next 2U2. Now you see that all the edges are not paired, but you have to pair it. After pairing the edges, you have to do the same again. Now you can see that this corner is matched. Then next we have to do the same until the corner matches. Now see here, these two are solved and you got them into their correct positions. Now you have to do the same again to solve the whole cube. And it's done. That was so simple. So guys, if you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. That's it. Thank you.